school. Please keep your school beautiful and neat always. Okay? So our good friends here in Chokozo Sabelo have told you enough about the importance of reading. All I want to say to you is there is power in books. There is power in reading. Okay? For you to be able to reach your full potential. What does it mean to reach your full potential? How do you say it? What do you say? How do you? I love reading. Reading is such a powerful thing. It can take you all over the world while you're sitting in your house. It can show you all sorts of things that otherwise you won't know.